All right. What's up, guys? Hope y'all had a good day of trading. Um, I didn't have a good day of trading, and so what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna talk about the mistake that I made today, that cost me four $50,000 accounts. I think it's important, man, to definitely trade wise, trade disciplined, and today I think I fell short, man. I fell short, and the one thing I will say is that it's easy to beat ourselves up, and I'm not gonna lie. Uh, the emotion that I feel mostly is a little bit of disappointment with myself and with the fact that I had it in my hands and I let it slip away. And so uh, I think the idea is that we just have to learn. We have to learn from these mistakes and try not to make these mistakes again. And so, with that being said, so you guys know, if you've been following me, I'm trading with a prop firm currently, Apex Trader Funding, and basically they are a futures prop trading firm, right? And so the way it works is you get to select what type of the amount of money that you want to trade with. They have different sizes. The sizes I chose was a 50. I had four $50,000 accounts. You have to go through an evaluation process, which basically is you just have to get a profit of, with the 50K account, it was $3,000. So if you get a profit of $3,000, and you can hold that 3,000 for 7 days, then you pass that evaluation, and then they will give you a funded $50,000 account. And then it's kind of the same thing with the funded $50,000 account. You have a profit goal of 3,000, and basically that profit goal is there because you have a trailing stop loss as well, and you also have that with the evaluation account. And so basically, what the trailing stop loss is, if you start, say you start off with a $50,000 account, your trailing stop loss starts at 47,000. So if I go up to $51,000, not if I cash out, I don't have to cash out. I just have to see 51. I said 41. I meant 50. But if I hit $51,000, if I just hit it, not if I cash it in, right? But if I hit $51,000, that 47,000 will go to $48,000. Then if I hit $52,000, that trailing stop loss, that's 48,000, will go to 49,000. And then if I hit 53, the trailing stop will go to $50,000. Guys, when I get to $50,100, it will stop. That trailing stop loss stops. You no longer have to deal with it, and you are kind of a little bit free to just make money. And so I was almost there, and just came up just short because I made a mistake, and I want to go through that right now. So I traded ES. You guys, know ES, and so basically the market opened, it dropped. I didn't place a trade. Well, let me just backtrack just one quick second. Yesterday, I was my first day trading the live account, the paid account, right? And I had a rough day. I ended up going down about $1,100, and then I was able to trade my way out of that $1,100, and then I ended the day with a profit of like $100. So I was happy with that, considering how the day had went for me, right? So today I said, you know what, I'm gonna go light. So now today, the market dropped, didn't make a trade. Market started going up. I got into a call. Or I went long, and I was able to make about 200 and something bucks, right? Made about 200 something bucks. I was happy with that. Kind of, I was kind of happy with that, because now, granted, I have four $50,000 accounts. So if I make $200 on one account, I have them all linked together. If I make the 200 on one, I make 200 on the other three. right? Which is pretty cool. But at the same time, I still need to hit that $3,000 target, and that's per account, so I need to hit $3,000 target on each one of those accounts. So I'm like, 200 is cool, but it's not enough, and I need to make more than that. There was one time, guys, I got my first $50,000 account. The day I started trading it, I hit 3,000 the first day, right? So just understand, kind of where I'm coming from. So to go from, making 3,000 in one day to, hitting 200, because I said, I'm gonna take it slow. I'm still dealing with that psychological battle of like, $200. That's really not a lot of money, even though it can be to some people. And I'm like, but I got, I need to get this going. I'm ready to go. And so anyway, yeah. So I got in here, made about 200 something bucks, and I closed the trade. Right, cool. Talked to my dad. Me and my dad, we talk about things, and kind of, he kind of is my accountability partner in a way, and so, I asked him, what did he think I should do? Should I try to trade again, or should I just kind of call it a day, right? So he basically just said, which I think was pretty cool advice. He just said to, if I see something, go for it. If I don't see anything, then don't go for it, right? And so, with that being said, when I got off the phone with him, I said, all right, well, I'm gonna keep trading, but if I see something, or I'm gonna keep watching the chart. If I see something, actually, no, that's not true, because I was not at my desk when we were talking. So I got back to my desk and I said, okay, if I see something, I'm gonna take a go at it. And so, guys, as soon as I get back, this is what I see. This is what I see. I see this right here. Look to the right. Look over here. This was kind of what it was looking like when I came back, right? When I came back, I said, "Oh man, this looks like this could be, this could be a double bottom, right?" I'm thinking this could be a double bottom pattern, and that means that we're getting ready to go up. I saw that we tried to go up here, we got rejected. I said maybe we'll go up again, do a retest, and so I decided to go in. I went in with one contract. I actually got in on this candle here. I got in on that candle right there. We started going up, and I decided to get in another contract because I thought we really were gonna make that move up, right? So I got into one more contract. Then we went up. Then I saw that contract and I was thinking like, oh man, I know we're not getting ready to reverse. This got to be fake, It's got to be like a little fake reversal candle. And sure enough, we dropped, right? The next candle we dropped, and so what I did was I got another contract down at the lows over here on the low of that red candle. So now I'm in with three contracts. So now I'm in heavier than I really wanted to be, but I thought that this was really going to work out, right? And so then the next candle did something like that. Then I'm like, okay, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Then the next candle did that. Rejected off this 45 EMA, and I was like, oh man. But then we kept going. We kept going. So I'm like, all right, cool. We kept going. Guys, when we got we kept going up to here. When we got to this high point here, I was at $2,000 in profit. And that is where I should have took the money. Because I was thinking to myself, like, if I take this 2,000, yes, I would like to hit that 3,000 in one try, but taking the 2,000 was better than, where it was the most I had been up to date in that entire day. So I said, you know what, I could take this too, but I was thinking, we might continue heading up, and guys, sure enough, we didn't. As you can see, we just started to fall. And so I ended up getting out somewhere down here. I think I was up maybe like $50 at that point or something like that. But the main point is, back to what I was saying about the trailing stop loss. When I got up to here, when I got up in this area here, I was up 2,000. So I went from 50,000, started with 50, came up to here, I was at 52,000. So guys, my stop loss was at 49,000, right? So my stop loss is at 49,000 now. But now, as it's dropping, I no longer have that 52,000. I have, by the time it came here, I think I only had like 50,000 maybe, right? I had almost lost the whole 2,000. So what I'm saying is my stop loss had trailed me. However, the profit that I took in was not 52,000. It was like 50,000. So now I'm very close to my stop loss. I'm very close to being stopped out, of the account, right? And so basically, what ended up happening, I just kind of traded the rest of the day and ended up losing the rest of the money because I didn't have that much, wiggle room from from that $49,000. So what I'm saying, guys, is like I think I should when I should have took that 2,000, I didn't because I was being greedy, and you know I thought maybe we would. I can say I thought we would go to we were going up still, but the fact of the matter is when I hit that 2,000, there was something in my gut that was telling me to take it, and I didn't take it. I didn't listen, and so guys, when you get that feeling, it is very, very, very important to listen to that feeling and to actually, sometimes that feeling is trying to save you from, making a mistake, right? And so, or making a big mistake, right? So, guys, just, let that be a lesson. Just don't do what I did. Don't be greedy. When you have a profit, especially $2,000, come on, you got to take that. You got to take that, and you got to just live to see another day. Maybe I can make the $1,000 later. As you can see, there was another move here that I could have made an additional $1,000, but I wanted to be greedy. I wanted to make it in that one instant, and I didn't make it. So, with that being said, guys, you know, don't do what I did. All right, so now I'm just rambling. That was my day. I have 3 more accounts coming next week, sometime next week, and I'm trying to work on my psychology on how I'm gonna attack those 3 accounts. Um, I want to go aggressive. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know if that's a smart thing to do. Um, and what I mean by aggressive is that I want to go like 4 or 5 contracts. Just find a good setup and go 4 or 5 contracts and see if I can hit that 3,000 pretty quick. That's what I want to do, but I don't know if I will do that. I don't know if that's smart to do that. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think how y'all think I should approach this next three accounts that I have coming, and we'll go from there. Man, it's kind of tough. I could have had 7 accounts, $50,000 accounts. That would have been crazy. I would have been doing really, really well. But it's not over. Not gonna give up. And guys, don't give up. This is not an easy trade, not an easy skill to learn. But I definitely see the possibilities, and I do know that one day I will get there, and I'll be a 7-figure trader one day, y'all. Y'all keep following me, and you'll see. But until then, guys, until the next video, peace.